I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all Jamaican Yum Yum steamed fish recipe. This Jamaican Yum Yum steamed fish recipe makes a delicious fish dinner. Comes with a savory sauce and made in one pot. Yup, just throw it all in one pan, steam it, and you end up with a tender juicy fish in a tasty fish sauce. Steamed fish is one of my favorite Jamaican fish dishes. Not just for its amazing taste but because it is so versatile. I can cook it as a full meal or as a main dish. You can steam any type of fish but it is best to choose a fish that doesn't break apart easily when cooked. Red snapper, doctor fish, butterfish are fish that steam well. I was unable to get any of these fish so I opt to using sea bass. Even though this fish tastes great when steamed, it is a little bit too soft for this recipe. Variations. There are a few variations to Jamaican steamed fish. As I have done with this recipe, this fish is steamed with vegetables like pumpkin, okra and carrot. You can also add corn or potato. Jamaicans sometimes steam fish with bami or water crackers. This way the steamed fish is eaten as a full meal. You can steam this fish without all the vegetables, bami or crackers and serve it as a main dish. What you need for this recipe here is the ingredients for steamed fish. 1. Carrot 2. Scallion 3. Scotch bonnet 4. Onion 5. Garlic 6. Thyme 7. Pumpkin 8. Okra 9. Pimento, allspice 10. Fresh fish 11. Salt black pepper 12. Fish tea soup mix, fish stock. Fresh fish, use any fish that you like, I am using sea bass. Fish stock, if you want to be authentically Jamaican using fish tea soup mix. Mix this in half cup of water before adding it to the pot. Scallion, thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, onion, pimento, allspice, all the usual suspects in steamed fish. Vegetables, I am using pumpkin, okra and carrot. Salt and black pepper, to season this fish. You basically adding all ingredients to one pot and let it steam. You must let the vegetables cook a little before adding the fish to prevent it breaking. Once you add this fish, cover and let the pot steamed. Ingredients: 3 pounds fresh fish, 10 medium okras chopped in a 3/4, 2 small carrot, 3 cloves garlic, 1 medium onion, 1 stalk scallion, 3 sprigs thyme, 6 pimento berries, a 1/4 pounds pumpkin, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, a 1/2 black pepper, a 1/2 salt, a 1/2 cup fish tea soup mix or fish stock. Clean the fish. IDRSS Section 1 lime. Lemon. IDRSS Section 1 tablespoon vinegar. Instructions: wash to and wash with lime juice and vinegar. Drain away the water. Combine the salt and pepper and use it season the fish. Place a pot on medium heat and add the Scotch bonnet pepper, onions, scallion, thyme, garlic, pimento, carrots, okras, pumpkin, coconut oil and the fish tea soup mix, fish stock. Cover and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Place fish into the boiling fish stock, spoon stock over the fish. Turn the heat down, cover and steam for other 10 to 15 minutes. Turn the fish halfway through. Notes: you are using fish tea soup mix, add it to half a cup of water before adding it to the pot. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name Khaled Zubair.